morning, dear friends, and welcome back to BEF Academy. BEF Academy is a language and vocational training institute situated at Carrefour Superet, VMRC. This morning, once more, we are with Mama
Banga
Emerencia. Yes, so apart from studying French, she's also giving a helping hand to the teaching of English language because she has been a teacher before. Am I right? What did you teach and where?
Well, I taught in the primary school. I taught almost all the subjects, but I was weak in mathematics.
Okay.
I taught almost all the subjects,
Including English language?
Including English language.
Okay, all right. Yes, and that's what we are going to be talking about this morning for 1 to 2 minutes. We want Mama to share with us her experience in the teaching of English language, especially teaching English language using the sounds of the letters of the alphabet.
Well, when I was tired of sitting in the house, I decided to find out what I can do in order to help my juniors in the school. So I decided to write the teaching of English language by using the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. I believe that when you teach, when the children know the sounds of the alphabets, they will be able to spell and read the words using those sounds easily. So I decided to write it. In teaching the sounds, since the children do not know what the letters or the words may be,
Okay.
it is always very good to bring in some apparatus
Okay.
to show them, to aid, like we call it teaching aids.
Yes.
You show, if you show them what to do, the letter, you write the letter on the board, you ask the children to pronounce it, you ask them to pronounce it row by row, and after pronouncing it, you give some words that begin with that sound.
Okay.
For example, may have a. The children pronounce a, they pronounce a, or they may even ask one or two to pronounce it in order to indicate that they know they have known how to pronounce it. And then you give them a word which begins with a, like apple. Now, when you are going to the classroom with to teach the word apple, you must have something like an apple.
Maybe
Show
an
them.
apple is
Yes,
set
you
for the
should.
drawing.
Yes.
Okay.
Or you draw it on the board.
Okay.
And they pronounce it, and the rest of the class pronounce the same word. Then you bring If you cannot bring at least you show the children what is meant by
Yeah.
The whole of this part is called
Okay.
and so forth.
Right.
And then you go on with the letter B.
Yeah.
Letter B will sound B.
Yeah.
And B. Every child will pronounce the word B. And then you introduce words very simple words which begin with the word with the sound but.
Okay.
Now, but you must know that letters, the letter A
Yeah.
sounds B. Sounds A. Letter B sounds B.
Yeah.
But you do not teach them the letters yet.
Okay.
They know only the sounds.
Only the sounds.
And then you give them simple words which will assist them, which will help them